Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Aqua Blue is probably one of the most versatile and essential items you can add to your home or personal care routine, offering a refreshing and invigorating experience that can transform your day from mundane to magnificent. Whether you're looking to enhance your hydration, elevate your shower experience, or simply add a touch of luxury to your daily life, this product promises a superior quality that stands out in a crowded market. Its innovative design and premium materials ensure durability and a user-friendly interface, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a blend of performance and aesthetic appeal. Get ready to discover why this particular Aqua Blue is earning rave reviews and becoming a must-have for discerning consumers everywhere. Number 5. CGK Queen Size 4-Piece Sheet Set. Transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat with our 4-piece sheet set. It includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases for a complete bedding upgrade. Our fitted sheet is designed with deep pockets to accommodate mattresses up to 16 inches deep, ensuring a snug and secure fit for most beds. Discover the ultimate comfort with our ultra-soft, breathable, and cooling sheets. They offer a silky smooth feel that's even softer than premium cotton. Crafted from the highest quality double-brushed microfiber, these sheets provide a lighter, softer touch for a truly weightless and dreamy sleep experience. Indulge in the luxury of soft, high-quality bedding without the high price tag. These sheets offer exceptional value for an unbeatable price. Perfect for adults, kids, teens, boys, and girls, these sheets are a fantastic addition to any bedroom, guest room, or vacation home. What we like? Experience hotel luxury every night with these ultra-soft microfiber sheets. They feature deep pockets for a secure fit on most mattresses and are wrinkle-free for easy care. If you're looking for ultimate comfort and a smooth, silky feel that lasts, you should consider these. What people say. The Aqua Blue is a fantastic addition to my kitchen. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a joy to use. I love the Aqua Blue's innovative features. The smart temperature control and self-cleaning function are incredibly convenient. The build quality of the Aqua Blue is exceptional. It feels sturdy and durable, and I expect it to last for years to come. Number 4. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. Introducing a set of measuring spoons crafted from single, heavy-duty stainless steel. They are built for endurance, designed to last, and will not rust or bend. Effortlessly use and store them thanks to their magnetic design. Grab the one you need instantly and store them together without fumbling with rings. These spoons feature a narrow end perfect for spice jars and a round end ideal for liquids. They lay flat to prevent spills and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Achieve precise ingredient quantities for all your cooking and baking needs. The included leveler ensures you measure the exact amount every time. Beyond baking, these spoons are perfect for measuring medicine or creating healthy recipes. This complete set includes 7 convenient sizes and a leveler. Add a touch of style to your kitchen with this beautiful set, featuring an attractive aqua sky finish. What we like? Simplify your kitchen tasks with these durable stainless steel measuring spoons. Their magnetic feature allows for easy storage and single-hand use, while the dual-sided design fits perfectly into spice jars. If you value convenience, accuracy, and a clutter-free workspace, you should choose these. What people say. The Aqua Blue has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor makes blending smooth and effortless, even with tough ingredients. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for various recipes. Number 3. PartyWoo Teal Balloons 50 PCS 12-inch. Add a splash of color to your next event with these beautiful teal balloons. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and more, they bring a festive touch to any celebration. Crafted from natural latex, these balloons are ideal for creating stunning decorations. They are perfect for teal-themed parties, weddings, and birthdays, offering a beautiful matte finish. These versatile balloons can be filled with either air or helium. When filled with air, they last up to 72 hours, while helium-filled ones stay buoyant for 3 to 6 hours. These balloons are perfect for creating eye-catching balloon garlands and arches. Achieve your desired color combinations and sizes for a truly personalized party atmosphere. For the best look, avoid overfilling and protect them from extreme heat or sharp objects. A small percentage of popped or missing balloons is normal due to the automated packing process. What we like. Add a pop of vibrant teal to any celebration with these natural latex balloons. They are perfect for creating a festive atmosphere at birthdays, weddings, or baby showers. If you're aiming for a cohesive and eye-catching party theme, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Quality balloons that were simple to inflate, well-colored and accurate to the advertised color. No premature popping and they still are inflated 7 days later. These balloons are really durable. Not one actually popped during the entire process of blowing them up, transporting them or through the event. The colors was spot on. These balloons have a beautiful, true red color that looks vibrant and exactly as pictured. Number 2. PartyWoo Dusty Blue Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning Dusty Blue Balloon Arch Kit, perfect for any celebration. This comprehensive set includes balloons in various sizes to create a beautiful focal point. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that will last throughout your event. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events, including birthdays, baby showers, graduations, and weddings. They add a touch of elegance and joy to any festive atmosphere. Fill them with air for a display that lasts up to 72 hours. Their standard necks allow for quick and easy inflation, ensuring a hassle-free decorating experience. Make your next party truly memorable with these beautiful light blue balloons. They are sure to impress your guests and add a special touch to your decorations. Please avoid overfilling, sunburn, or excessive friction to ensure the balloons maintain their shape. Adjust the inflation to achieve your desired size for the perfect look. What we like. Create stunning balloon decor with this comprehensive Dusty Blue Balloon Kit. Featuring multiple sizes and made from durable latex, these balloons are perfect for arches and garlands. If you're planning a boho-themed event like a wedding, baby shower, or birthday, these will help you achieve a memorable look. What people say. The Aqua Blue has a sleek and modern design that would complement any kitchen. Its innovative features, such as the multi-stage filtration system, ensure clean and pure drinking water. The durable construction and high-quality materials used in the Aqua Blue guarantee long-lasting performance. Number 1. TELUS Bamboo Rayon Cooling Pillowcases, Standard Size, 2-pack, Aqua Blue. Experience ultimate comfort with our cooling pillowcases. Made from breathable bamboo rayon, they wick away moisture to keep you dry and cool, even on the hottest nights. These pillowcases are designed to regulate your body temperature. The unique fabric allows for excellent air circulation, ensuring a comfortable sleep environment for hot sleepers and those experiencing night sweats. Say goodbye to frizz and hair damage. The smooth surface of these pillowcases reduces friction, helping to retain moisture in your hair and keep it healthy, whether it's curly, wavy, or textured. Enjoy convenience with our machine-washable pillowcases. Simply wash them in cold water with similar colors and tumble dry on low for easy maintenance. We recommend having a spare set for continuous comfort. We stand by the quality of our pillowcases. With a 365-day return and replacement service, plus lifetime customer support, we're here to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. Achieve a cooler, more comfortable sleep with these bamboo rayon pillowcases. They are designed to be moisture-wicking and temperature-regulating, perfect for hot sleepers. If you struggle with night sweats or want to protect your hair from frizz, you should definitely consider these. What people say. The Aqua Blue is a fantastic addition to my kitchen. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a joy to use. I love the Aqua Blue. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. The features are intuitive and easy to understand. The Aqua Blue exceeded my expectations. The color is vibrant, and the materials used feel premium. It's a great value for the features it offers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.